Okay, these two angles, which they're giving us in algebraic terms, their measurements, they're complementary. What does it mean that they're complementary? It means that they sum to 90. Complementary is 90, supplementary is 180. So they're complementary, so we know if we were to calculate them just algebraically, we could say x plus 2 plus x minus 4 equals 90. Combining like terms, we would say 2x, that's a 4 by the way, sorry, it's a little sloppy. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. We've combined the variable terms, x and x is 2x, and the constant terms 2 and negative 4 is negative 2. Now, we will continue on by solving this algebraically, add 2 to both sides. 2x equals 92, and divide both sides by 2. Hopefully you're getting in the habit of showing all steps. You can see that I try and be consistent of showing all steps because that's what you should be doing as well. Now, x is 46. That's not what they're asking us. They're asking us the measure of each angle. So we could then take the two angle measures. Let's do one in blue. X plus 2 is one of the angle measures. And if we substitute in 46 for it, we get 48. It's one of them. If we took the other measure, x minus 4, and we substituted 46 in for that, we would get 42. So 48 and 42. And x plus 2 was DFG, so DFG should be 48. And JKL is 42. Now, before we're done with this, I could just easily stop here and be done, but I want to point this out. This is kind of fun to think about. If x is some number, it's the same number here and here. Okay. If we go up 2 from that number, so kind of let's say we are, let me pick a different color so you can just see it and say, okay, let's say we were here at whatever x is, okay, and then we go 2 units up, so we go 2 units up here, and now we're here, okay. That's x plus 2, okay. Now if we were back here at x and we went minus 4, which is what that says, we went down 1, 2, 3, 4 from that number, we were there, how far apart are they? Well, this one went 2 from x, 2 more than x, up to here. This one next one went down 4, x minus 4. So how far apart are they? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units apart. So our answer has to be 6 units apart. This one is 48, this one's 42. That's 6 units apart. That's good. Are any other ones 6 units apart? First of all, no, they're not. But there's something else that would help you eliminate some of the choices, which is if two angles are complementary, they sum to what? They sum to 90. So what? Well, look, if you look at these numbers, 48 and 52, they sum to 100. That's not 90. So already we can say, nope, that's no good. Can't be that one. Also, 46 and 54, that also sums to 100. And that's also no good. So we could immediately eliminate those before we ever even calculated. Okay? And again, reiterating what I just said, if you go up 2 from x, and here you go down 4 from x, they should be 6 apart, and these two aren't. So they don't work. But it doesn't really matter. We could just do it algebraically. We could say that plus that needs to equal 90, right there. Solve it all out to x equals 46, and then plug them back in and get our two numbers. That's legit, but it's just fun to think about because once you really understand what you're thinking about, you can see, well, it can't be that, can't be that, and it actually can't be that either because they should be 6 apart. So in those ways, once we really understand the numbers that are going on, we wouldn't even have to do all the math to be able to eliminate 3 of the 4 answers and be left with A as the only logical choice left.